Alright, boys and girls, we're back here at Cook's place working on another fine kitchen. This one's a little bit different, but they're all a little bit different here and there. Never the same. A little bit different creation, a little bit different workmanship. Yeah. Island turned out really nice. Yeah. Some are a little bigger, some a little smaller. Back here to the hall bathroom. Yeah, really big. Yeah, double sink, man. Yeah, nice cabinets. These are KCDs. Shaker white. A little bit of shaker in there. Laundry room. You can stuff a bunch of towels or whatever up in there. Yeah, we'll go out here to the master. Master bathroom. Yeah. Nice kitchen. Nice house. Yeah. Good layout. All right. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.